kick of the paw combo. That, well, opened the case.
I can't remember that.
Okay, put a plug in the waterworks. I'll tell you where I sent the balloon.
He can't drown. He'll just be down there forever.
Father should have brought our goodnight robots. Too bad we can't stay there.
I can't remember that.
Sorry, there are no rooms available in the Grand Poodletopia.
I got an idea.
That's very interesting.
Don't you cry. Don't cry. Jeffy, you know...
Shut up!